everyone, welcome to QazLa Crochet. Let's crochet together this beautiful headband for your girls. You can customize in any color and size of your own choice. This is super cute and super duper easy for beginners. I have uploaded so many beautiful crochet jewelry gift items tutorials on my channel. Please watch those videos. I'm sure you'll enjoy. If you find my videos useful, make sure to subscribe for future videos. And you know one thing, likes are totally free, so don't hesitate to like this video. Let's quickly make this. With 2-ply yarn and 2mm crochet hook. Make 1 slip knot and chain 11. Then yarn over hook and insert in 7th chain from the hook. And make 3 double crochet, chain 3.3 double crochet in same space. Then 1 double crochet in last chain. Chain 3 and turn your work. Make 3 DCCH 3 DC in this space. Then 1 regular double crochet in this stitch. Chain 3 turn. Make 3 double crochet, chain 3 double crochet in this space. This is the pattern. Repeat till the desired length. When you're happy with the length in the last row, make 3 DC, chain to 3 DC. And instead of making 1 double crochet, make 1 treble crochet in last stitch. Yarn over twice and make 1 treble crochet. Fasten off, see with needle, and sew any flower on this. I have already shared this flower tutorial. Please watch that video on my channel and make this and sew here. These are some of my creations I have made recently. You can make these by watching my video tutorial on this channel. Or you can DM to order me on Instagram and TikTok, QazLa Crochet. I can make them for you. If you have any questions or videos you want me to make tutorials on that, feel free to ask on Instagram and TikTok, QazLa Crochet. I will respond every single question there. Thanks for your time. Happy crochet!